When it comes to increasing the value of your property in Lafayette, homeowners often focus on major renovations like kitchen upgrades or bathroom remodels. However, one of the most impactful, yet often overlooked, ways to boost your home's value is through window installation. New windows not only enhance the curb appeal of your property, but they also offer functional benefits that can attract potential buyers and improve the overall comfort of your home. Improved curb appeal. One of the first things prospective buyers notice about a home is its exterior, and windows play a pivotal role in defining a property's look. Over time, windows can become outdated or worn, detracting from the overall appeal of your house. Whether you're aiming for a modern, classic, or rustic look, new windows can completely transform the exterior of your home. Installing windows that complement your home's architectural style can give it a fresh, updated appearance that draws the eye of anyone passing by. From sleek, contemporary frames to traditional, timeless designs, the options are plentiful. New windows can create an impression of a well-maintained property, which can go a long way in enhancing buyer confidence and adding immediate curb appeal. Whether your Lafayette home is a cozy cottage or a grand estate, high-quality windows make a positive statement. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Energy efficiency is one of the most significant selling points for any property in today's market. With rising energy costs, homebuyers are increasingly looking for homes that offer lower utility bills and better overall energy performance. New windows, especially those with energy-efficient features such as double-glazed glass, low emissivity coatings, and argon gas insulation, can significantly reduce heat loss and improve your home's overall energy efficiency. In Lafayette, where the weather can fluctuate dramatically between hot summers and chilly winters, windows that regulate indoor temperatures can make a big difference. By keeping cool air in during the summer and retaining heat during the winter, new windows can create a more comfortable living environment while reducing your heating and cooling costs. Potential buyers are often willing to pay more for a home that promises long-term savings on energy bills. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Lafayette is a vibrant and growing city, but like many urban areas, noise pollution can be a concern for homeowners. Whether you live near a busy street, a school, or a park, external noise can become a constant irritant. Upgrading to high-quality windows with noise-reducing features, such as double or triple glazing, can help mitigate this problem. Installing windows that block out noise from the outside creates a peaceful and quiet environment inside your home. This added benefit can be a major selling point for buyers who value peace and quiet, particularly in busy neighborhoods. By investing in soundproof windows, you're not only improving your home's comfort, but you're also enhancing its appeal to potential buyers who prioritize a serene living space. Increased safety and security. Security is a top priority for homeowners, and new windows can help provide peace of mind in this regard. Modern window designs often feature advanced locking mechanisms and impact-resistant glass, making them more secure than older windows. Many of the newer models are designed to be harder to break into, and they can offer better protection against potential intruders. For families or individuals who are particularly concerned about safety, This feature is an excellent selling point. Homes with upgraded windows not only look more appealing, but they also offer improved protection, which can make buyers feel more secure and comfortable in their new environment. Long-term value and low maintenance. Windows, like any other component of a home, can suffer from wear and tear over time. Old, inefficient windows may require frequent repairs or constant maintenance, which can be both costly and time-consuming. By installing new windows, you eliminate the need for ongoing repairs and give your home a long-lasting upgrade that requires minimal upkeep. New windows come with warranties, which means that you won't have to worry about the financial burden of replacing or repairing them for years. This long-term value can be a major selling point for potential buyers, making your property more attractive compared to others on the market that still have older, less efficient windows. Conclusion: investing in new window installation is a smart decision for homeowners in Lafayette looking to increase the value of their property. Not only do new windows enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but they also offer tangible benefits like improved energy efficiency, noise reduction, better security, and minimal maintenance. These advantages make your property more attractive to buyers and can lead to a higher resale value. If you're looking to boost your home's worth while enhancing comfort and functionality, upgrading your windows is one of the most cost-effective and impactful improvements you can make.